Hi everyone, I am Toby the Turtle. Hi everyone, I'm Maya the Hi everyone, I am Leo the Lion.
Hi everyone, I am Mr. Toucan.
Hi everyone, I am the Raptor. Deep in the jungle, three friends meet to go on an adventure.
Hi everyone, I found something mysterious this morning. An old piece of paper. It just dropped from the sky right in front of me. Let's see what it says. Maybe we can go on a fun adventure together. It is a riddle. Look for where the monkey swing low, and a symphony of colors begin to fall. What on earth could that mean?
Sounds interesting. I wonder what treasure you can find. You will have to follow the clue to find the treasure. I bet it will work better if you all work together.
What could the riddle mean? I know. I saw a field of beautiful flowers. That's very colorful. We should check it for the treasure.
That's a good idea.
They searched high and low, but could not find any treasure.
Wow, that didn't work. Where else can we see something colorful? I saw many butterflies playing in the river. Maybe that's the colorful place in the river.
Very good imagination.
The friends could not find any treasure yet again.
Oh, we're wrong price already. Maybe we should think about the clue again. You are right. Maybe the symphony of colors is about flowers or butterflies. Maybe it means something else. Maybe it means something colorful and musical.
That's a good way to use teamwork. I think you are on the right trail.
That sounds like music. Let's see what is making that drumming sound.
Hello, adventurers. Did you follow the clues?
Yes, we did. We made mistakes before, but hopefully we are correct this time.
It is okay to make mistakes. The important thing is to learn and keep trying. Now see if you have figured out the clue. Think you are almost there.
This must be the symphony of colors. The colors are from the toucan, and the symphony are the drums. Hey friend, here is a pot of dirt. Maybe the treasure is buried here. Good job, Toby. Let's all dig together. That way we can do it faster. See? The treasure was juicy after all that hard work.
Those are special sticks. They are for planting new trees in the jungle. The real treasure is the friendship and teamwork.
You're right. I had a great day adventure with my friends. And we could not have done it alone. Good job, everyone.
And so the friends planted the seed together, knowing that the real treasure was the jelly they shared.